Welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be resetting the Raspberry Pi device that I have running Homebridge on for my smart home through SSH. Wanted to create a tutorial of basically how to do it. I just found myself in a situation where I forgot my Homebridge password, and that basically resulted in me getting locked out, and now I need to get that reset. So I'm going to go ahead and open up terminal. You can do that by hitting command spacebar and then typing terminal. So it looks like the first command that we're going to be running is going to be pi, which is like the default username, at and then the IP address that your Raspberry Pi is plugged into. So in my case, I have a IP address from my Orbi Pro satellite dish. It says this is my IP address, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that. It might actually be useful to type in the command. So bear with me just a moment. All right, so the command is going to be SSH. That's what we're going to be doing. SSH pi at the IP address. And then if you didn't preset a password for the Raspberry Pi, the base password should just be Raspberry. So we could go ahead and enter that. Okay, so at that point you can kind of see Homebridge is running on this Raspberry Pi. It looks like I successfully hit the IP address that the device is being ran on. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a command that basically allows us to remove the password. So the command is going to be sudo space is going to be rm, stands for remove, with two flags, flag R and F. And we're going to do at /var lib, in this case, homebridge /auth.json. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that. Cool. So once that is entered, you're going to want to go ahead and restart. So you can restart your device with sudo. Homebridge is hb-service, and then the command is going to be restart. All right, and as we can see, we're getting this restart Homebridge. Awesome. Okay, cool. So now let's go ahead and go to homebridge.local. And it should have us here and allow us to get started. So then here you can go ahead and create an account on Homebridge. In this case, I want to make sure that it's something that I'm not going to forget moving forward. All right, so let's go ahead. That was basically it. I was originally locked out of my Homebridge account. I forgot the password to it. And that is how you SSH into your Raspberry Pi and essentially go ahead and remove the login credentials associated with your Homebridge account and get yourself re-authenticated. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on the under the video, or go ahead and reach out to me on social media. All of those details will be down below. All right.